Hi, welcome back to Patrick's Tech Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at the DJI Spark Portable Charging Station, or Portable Charging Station for Spark. Before we get to this, we'll put this on the side, and actually, in case you don't know what a Spark is, this is DJI's smallest drone out there at time being. So Spark is, as I mentioned, smallest drone that you can find at the moment, with the 2-axis gimbal in the front, sensors so you don't fly against something, has a 1480 milliamp hour battery, which allows you approximately 15 minutes, 15 hours would be great, 15 minutes of flight time. So in this box that comes with the Spark Fly More combo, I believe it comes with a normal one as well, I have 2 more batteries, and in total it gives me approximately 45-minute flight time. But I wanted to have more, and rather than spending more on batteries, I thought, okay, why not looking into the charging station? And that's what I did, because I love the idea of it, and it's pretty cool. So let's just put this on the side, and leave the Spark on the side as well for now. Once we open it up, you'll see it already. Inside you'll find here, if we put it on the correct side, we'll find a charging cable and the power brick on the opposite side, which obviously you don't really need, as you already have one from your normal Spark charging, right? Now it's a little bit fiddly to put this back in. So on the other side here, you're gonna have basically this one, which you already have from your Spark in the first place when you basically bought it, right? And let's take the charging station out. So inside you will find instruction manual and DJI Care, which we don't need now either. And yeah, coming back to the brick, you basically attach it to the charging station right here with the power. Then the power cord goes obviously into the outlet. And the good thing about the charging station and the power brick, as you know already from the Spark, is we have an additional USB port here. So you're able to not only charge your Spark with this, but you're able to charge the remote control at the same time. And because we have here 2 more USB ports, you can charge, for example, another camera or a power bank or something else. So you have basically 3 USB ports with 1 single power outlet, which is great. So let's put this on the side. Now the charging station itself, very simple. So you have basically cover on top. On the left you have it to open, so you basically push it away from you, or basically towards you if you look at it. Then you can open it up, and you have space for 2 batteries and the Spark itself. Let me just get the Spark now again. Now first you have to put in the batteries, and it doesn't matter which one goes where, because the charging station itself, and you can see it has a locking mechanism as well. So these hinges here, they basically lock into here, and it's all secure. So you see, it's not falling out, which is great. And the Spark itself, because you have the charging contacts here on the battery, and you have the same here, obviously you see them here already, you can only put it one way in, because this one is edgy towards where the camera is and the sensors, and then the rear end is curved, so it's only going in one way, and it fits exactly like that. And then you fold this down, it holds the Spark in place, and the propellers you can just fold in, and then they lock in place as well, which is awesome. Now again, come back here, so we have USB port, DC in, and then here we have to upgrade something, basically if there's a software update or anything like that. And to power it on, it's like with any DJI product, you basically press it once, so it shows you how much data charge it is, and then you press a second time, and automatically the power bank will charge the the Spark first, the battery that's in the Spark, because this is the one that you will take out first so you can continue flying. And then it will charge the battery that is the second one, which needs to be charged. So you see now the right one. So you see now the right one here doesn't need any charge, therefore it's all green, but the left one needs charge, and it's basically charging this one. Once it's going to turn it's going to turn green, you'll see now it's flashing, so it's still charging this one. In a moment it's going to jump to this. So facts for you. So the power bank itself, or the charging station, has 5000 milliampere hours of power. If you consider that the battery of a Spark is 1480 milliampere hours, you can charge it 3 times, easily, and you have still some juice left. Which means basically, if you can fly with 1 battery 15 minutes, with 3 batteries 45, you're basically doubling your flight time. Doesn't matter if you have 1 battery or 3 or 2. And therefore I would be able to fly with this setup if I used all 3 batteries and I recharge them again, in total of 1 hour and 30 minutes, maybe even more, depends on how much you fly, right? And how long you last with 1 battery. And I think it's great. Weight-wise, unfortunately it's not written how much it weighs. I would say approximately 1.5 kilograms, something like that. And if you want to charge it, if you just want to charge the portable charging station without anything inside, no batteries, no Spark, it will take you 1 hour and 35 minutes, basically plugged in into the power with the power cord. If you want to charge everything together with the power cord, it will take you approximately 3 hours if everything is empty. And if you want to charge the Spark and the batteries without the power plug, it will take you 2.5 hours. So just for you to know. Obviously, you're not going to plug it in and it's already going to be charged within 10 minutes or something like that. It's not reasonable. However, if you're like anyone else who's basically flying and shooting video and aerial footage, you're basically going to go to a place, shoot some sceneries, come down, maybe go to another place, then fly up again, and so on. And if you do it multiple times over the day, then in between you could always put the battery back in or the drone back in and charge the batteries, which is a great thing. Price for this one is approximately 99 euro. You will find the link to Amazon below. If you're interested, 99 euro would be $109, or maybe it's $99 in US as well. I'm just going to put the link for the US as well as the one for Europe down there. And if you would like to support the channel, I would appreciate if you just buy through the link below. So that's pretty much it. Quick wrap up and quick introduction. And I think it's a great thing. Very small form factor. It's safe and secure, you'll see as well. Here it keeps the Spark in a secure, tight grip. And basically nothing is shaking, nothing is falling. Love that thing, it's great. And it actually fits even like that in my rucksack. One basically drawback is, obviously it doesn't fit into the original DJI packaging. So if you're good to go with 3 batteries, you don't need it, take this one. Otherwise, there's an additional case for this one, which I'm gonna link down in the description as well. Alright, so thanks a lot. Subscribe, like it, share it, comment below if you have any questions, please ask them, and I'll see you next time. Bye.